Maundu matiganite no matanyitwo kuyumiria mweri uyu megemaine na mendekithia ma riboti ya BBI na ukinyaniria wamo. Kuringana na mutongoria wa anini bunge-ini ino ya Senate na uria nowe senator wa kaunti ya Siaya James Orengo, mutongoria wa bururi ni abataire kugathika ngathiti-ini ya thirikari kuongererwo ihinda gwa kamiti ya BBI na wire uria megukorwo magithukirwo niguo gutigirira maundu megie ukinyaniria wa riboti ino ni matwarithio na mbere na njira ya naihenya. Ndarama cia gutabanio kwa referendum ikoretwo ikiguika na njira ya hakuhi ona gwakiriria kuria Orengo ahinyiririe no mwaka Kenya marike thiini wa referendum gukinyiria mweri wetandatu. Miario irireganitwo nayo ni mutongoria wa aria aingi bunge-ini no Kipchumba Murkomen akiuga undu uyu ni ukuhinyiriria Kenya.
Knowing the election cycle is just about to begin, it is important that the committee starts working as quickly as possible. Because in my view, as I've said before, we need, if we must have a referendum, and my views is that we should, that referendum should be conducted no later than the end of June, July this year.
We can do a referendum in the country is, at the moment it's December. And as the times go by, because we don't have a document, we don't have all the processes, I have done all the simulations. The earliest we can do the referendum is, if you squeeze even your time and you have like almost like in a conveyor belt, maybe October, November, December. If you ask me that truthfully, there will be no referendum this year.
Maya magithiaga na mbere atongoria matiganite kuma mwena wa Nyanza na Githii no mathiete na mbere na kwihariria mbere ya gutabanio gwa gikaro kia mwanya gia kwaririria mendekithia ma riboti ya BBI. Ndereti ino ikoretwo ikiuboka hora guku atongoria makiheana mirigamo ngurani igi ndereti ino. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Gicuki Wang'ang'a.